Good afternoon from Jaipur. I'm here at the Samode Haveli hotel in Jaipur. It's Eid weekend, so it's the end of Ramadan. So I've come up here for the weekend. Tika and Faiz, who were in my last video in Yerkaud, they're also coming up this weekend. So we're going to be doing a lot of tourist stuff, going and seeing the cool sights and everything. So it's going to be a nice weekend. Gonna get a drink, I think, by the pool and chill out. Oh, they've been told off. Good morning from Jaipur. It's 6 in the morning and I'm up to go on a heritage walk around the city. So my hotel is right in the Pink City. So they offered me yesterday if I wanted to go on a heritage walk as the city starts to wake up. So I was like, yeah, sure. Faiz is joining me. Tika, I doubt, got up in time. So I'm gonna go meet them, go for a walk.
I slept well, really well.
How many hours did you sleep?
2 hours.
Yeah. Hi. Spikes for the elephants. So we just got here to the flower market. So we're in the old Pink City. We walked from the hotel down to here. And now we just came to the flower market. These are marigolds? Okay. Chrysanthemums.
20 किलो कर दो और तो फिर तो यार अरे इनको छेड़े मत तू इनको देंगे नहीं मैं
Now we're going to the vegetable market, which is the most crowded, so we have to push our way in and avoid the women with vegetables on their head.
It's very dull today.
There's so many people here. It's so busy, but they said today is not as busy as the other days. But it's just so loud and there's so much going on. Like, there's women carrying bags of vegetables on their head. There's people shaking vegetables at my face. Mental. Hi. Massive pumpkins. Just carrying. What was it called again?
Govind Dev Ji Temple.
Govind Ji. Temple has a Guinness World Record for the largest display of oil lamps. We're just going now to the morning arti ceremony in the Hindu temple. I'll put the name below because I can't remember the name. I've been told like 3 times. But we're going in now. It's getting louder.
Oh, that's water from the river Ganges.
Okay.
That's actually water from the feet of the gods.
Okay.
So that's Charnamrit. It's water has been touched by divine.
Okay.
So when you drink that, you consume some little part of the divine.
It's water from the river Ganges. People are drinking it.
That entire area, all the people which you see here are all freelancing cooks. So you can actually come here, interview one of them, hire them for a day, take them back home. They would help you with the kitchens, and well, you can pay them by the day. So it's very convenient for someone who cannot afford a person for a month.
Yeah.
If they have a feast or a festival or a wedding, these people are very useful.
Cool. Thanks. Just had a walk along the streets, and now we're gonna walk along and have hi. Just getting harassed on the street. You ready for some street food?
Yeah, of course. Jalebis and samosas and kachoris.
Yeah, jalebi. Jalebis is sweet though, right?
Jalebis are very sweet. It's actually batter which is deep fried in clarified butter.
Okay.
Then they transfer it to a vessel of sugar syrup.
Okay.
But it's only good for about 20 minutes. If you
Okay.
eat it after 20 minutes, it's
No good.
not so good anymore.
And they drop on the sugar syrup.
There is sugar syrup flavored with saffron.
Then they come out like this.
Like this.
Yeah.
This with dahi. Good.
या फिर छोटी जलेबी बना दी आई भी बना दी
It's really sweet.
2 मिनट ठहर दिया
I don't like
सरदार जी
sweet.
Nice. This is one of the sweetest things I've ever come across.
Yeah. Because it's basically pure sugar, right?
Yes.
Best jalebi you've ever had?
Not the best, but yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Next up is samosas with tamarind chutney.
That was tamarind mango chutney. This is yogurt, coriander, mint.
Okay.
It's criminal to eat these samosas without this chutney.
Okay.
I don't think so you like it, but
You don't think? A samosa unlike no other. Yeah, but there is a lot of spices in this now. Does it have a special name, the samosa?
This is the shop.
Ah, okay.
It's called Samrat.
Samrat. So if you're in Jaipur, come to Samrat. On what street is this?
This is known as Choda Rasta.
Choda Rasta.
Translated to English, Broad Street.
Broad Street.
नमकीन वालों का रास्ता.
It's a street just for Bombay mix.
Come on, show you.
Namkeen Street. Hi.
Okay. Try it. What do you think?
It's good. Now we're gonna go get some masala chai, possibly the best tea in the world. Contender for the best tea in the world. I'll try it and decide. For a contender for the best tea in the world, come to Sahi Chai.
Green cup.
Challenge, is this the best tea in the world? The hottest tea in the world? It's pretty good.
What do you think about tea?
It's delicious so far. So far from my one sip. Yeah, it's banging. It's really good.
Really good.
Cheers. Hi. Thanks to Sujit for the tour. If you're in Jaipur, he said if you're not staying at Samode Haveli, you can come for the tour.
There is, you can.
Get in touch with Sujit. Thank you.
This is when you are absolutely dying with the heat in this desert.